RescueTime Productivity Tracking Script. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to track your productivity and manage your time better, RescueTime is a great tool. Today, we'll show you how to use it to stay focused and improve your work habits. Let's get started. Getting started with RescueTime. Install RescueTime on your computer or phone, and it will automatically track your digital activity, categorizing apps and websites as productive or unproductive. Tracking and insights. It runs in the background, providing detailed reports on how you spend your time, helping you identify areas for improvement. Setting goals and alerts. Set daily productivity goals and get alerts when you exceed limits on distracting activities like social media. Using focus time. Enable focus time to block distractions and stay on task during deep work sessions. With RescueTime, you can boost productivity and take control of your time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.